So guys, we finally reached our new destination. We are in Kolkata right now. So it took us like 12 to 14 hours to reach our destination. By the time we reached the destination, it was 11 o'clock in the morning. So we checked into our hostel and we freshened up, and now we are going to explore the streets over here. So as of now, we are going to hire an electric scooter so that we can explore the city. So as we are moving, I'll update you about the journey. So guys, we have finally got our electric scooter. So this scooter, we got it for 50 rupees per hour. So it's going to give 60 kilometers per one passenger. If there are two passengers on the scooter, it will give you 30 kilometers of range. So we are two passengers now, we have 30 kilometers of range now. So if the scooter's battery is over in anywhere in between the zone which they provide, they will come and swipe the battery. So now we'll go and explore the streets here. So the reason why we are not going in the cars here is because the streets are very congested. So we thought we could explore the local streets here with this electric scooter. And it's very silent, without noise, it just goes like this. So let's go and explore the streets now. Guys, after asking few of the locals and our hostel front desk staff, we figured out that New Market is the best place to cover Kolkata streets, because here you get the original style of Kolkata. So now I'm going to shoot some B-rolls in 120 frames per second and show you guys. So catch you later. So guys, we are done with the New Market. I hope you have enjoyed the B-rolls. So our next destination is Park Street. Here the vintage and classic buildings are very famous. Here you can see buildings which are constructed in 1900s and at least 200 to 300 years back. So if you want to take some cool vintage classic building pictures and videos, you should be here. So if you're trying to cover streets in Kolkata, these two streets are very famous. So one is the New Market Street and the other is the Park Street. So the Park Street, you need to be in the night to get some beautiful pictures. And overall, my view about the city as of now is that it is so beautiful, guys. It feels like I time travel to 1960s or 1900s, and I saw so many things which I saw in my childhood, which I cannot see anymore in Hyderabad, like ambassador cars and rickshaws, towing things and all. So so that's it, guys. So after covering the Park Street, I'll catch you again. So guys, we are done with the Park Street. It was a delightful experience seeing those all vintage buildings lit up by those commercial strip. So our next plan is that we are going back for the electric scooter rental because at 8 o'clock it closes. So we need to go back and give that bike. So after that we'll go and cover some street food here and then we'll do the main course. So we'll go and figure out what is the best street dish here and I'll let you know. So stay tuned. Bye bye, Scooty. So guys, after asking so many locals here, we figured out that gulab jamun is the famous dish over here. In hot there is no specific dish. So they were saying that momos and chow mein are famous here. So now we are going and trying momos and then we'll try gulab jamun.
Ranjit is having chicken momos and I'm waiting for my veg momos now.
So guys, I'm trying veg momos now. Guys, this is very fantastic and very juicy. 5-star rating. Yeah, this is very yummy, guys. So this is more softer than the gulab jamun which you find in Hyderabad. Yeah, this is good, guys. You need to try it. After asking few locals here, I found out a best place for Kolkata biryani. So they were recommending me this restaurant. It's called as Aminia. So it is from 1929. So we are going inside having the biryani now. So guys, Ranjit got chicken biryani, which is Kolkata's famous, and I got some veg curry and some butter rotis. So how is biryani, Ranjit?
No words.
Yeah, even my roti is super, guys. Now we'll tuck it inside. So guys, we are done with the tasty food. So overall the food is good, but it's a bit sweet compared to the Hyderabad biryani. But overall it's the same taste. So that's it for today, guys. I think it was a very productive day and you guys have enjoyed the B-rolls and the local Calcutta area over here. So I'll sign off for today. So take care. Bye bye. Keep moving.